bars are different than this.
All right. Well, again, this is your packing gland. Your grease here. These are the boats we're talking about in the film. And you see how I've got them level all the way around. Mm-hmm. Check them at 40 hours and then again at 200 hours. Grease monthly. 2 to 8 shots.
Okay.
Your main panels over here, like I said, we can't run them. We can't run the spirals today until we get the overload capacitor in, and they're supposed to be shipping it. But it's pretty simple. Your e-stop, you got e-stops located on both of the conveyors, but you got manual e-stop. And this one, I don't know what they're going to do. I don't know if they're going to put one down where it could be reached. Normally we would put one on the column where you could run over and hit it, or over here on the column where you could hit it. But they're designed to where if we hit the e-stop, it'll shut everything behind it down. Same way with the loss of rotation control sensor. I'll show you it's mounted right on top at the end. If for some reason this one stopped, it should stop everything behind it. If this one stops, it stops this one.
Right.
It'll allow this one, you know, it'll clean the one past it out, but it'll stop like from here back. It'll shut it off to keep it from plugging. They're getting a new set of legs. They've already been set up to fabricate, and they'll set on either side of this. This is just temporary right now. But your loss of rotation control sensor, that's it up there. If it breaks, it shuts everything off. If it goes under certain RPMs, which will be 21, it'll shut everything off. Here's your slide gates.
What would make it go under the rated RPM? Something broken in there? Okay. Something jammed up, slowing it down?
Yeah, but it's going to be mostly a broken shaft, drive shaft.
Okay, yeah, where your shaft.
Yeah, right here. We're all bolts up inside.
Right.
Everything bolts to the spiral right up against this. And it's marked with warnings again. I can't tell you.
I'm sorry, the what?
I said it's marked with warning labels all over.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they mean what they say about sticking your arms in there or your feet. E-stops here. If you hear a noise or unusual vibration, any extensive vibration, or your buddy gets caught up in it, don't hesitate to hit it, cut it off. That's what they're here for. They did a real good job on the alignment. The anchorage is nice. I mean, it's really a clean, neat job that the contractor did on this. And this is a sensor. This is a control that picks up the sensor for the LOR. This will be that box. And you can see I've got it set 20 and 21 just below that on your rotations per minute. This you should never have to fool with again. I've got it still open because I wanted to make sure it's going to run like I've got it set up, but once I close it up, you shouldn't have to fool with it. Y'all ain't gonna have to worry about stuff freezing out here really. But you got your clean outs, you got your e-stops. These are your slide gates. They'll be plumbed over to your air compressor here. And then your slide gate controls, we've talked about putting them right here, mounting them here somewhere. Open and close on either one of them.
That'd just be a box with a couple
Be a remote.
lights and switches that you'll be able to open and close them.
It's just gonna be simple.
Also, that's like a good quarter inch where you hit the yellow, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's quite a meaty, beefy line.
And they're just so rugged and tough. It's not, it's a secret what's in it. Just like the spirals.
Are they gonna pipe this clean out here, or will this one?
That would be a good question.
I'll have to double check, I don't know. Off the top of my head.
Because I know that our old ones, the ones we have now are piped out here, but they don't have a
Top one?
top one there.
Yeah, we can check into it.
I like how they put the water go straight across them too, because it'll get right into it.
But do you guys got any questions on safety or running or maintenance of these? I mean, it's pretty cut and dry.
Maintenance is pretty easy, so I ain't worried about that.
Operations is,
Any questions?
No, sir.
You're gonna be running into them here.
Yeah.
operations is gonna be simple once we get our end of it up.
Research.
No, that's a vent.
That's a
That's a
vent.
vent, I know, but
It's got
is there
oil.
any strictly oil then? Okay.
Yeah, there's your fill, and that should be your level right here, right?
Yeah, I checked it.
That's your level here?
Okay, there's a greaser.
I had to spill a little bit of it. I'll wipe that off. But I had to spill it and show it that, you know, it was checked.
That's your fill, right?
Yeah.
And that's your check.
No, this is my check. Your field would be up here.
Is that full of oil?
Yeah, it's that, yeah.
Wow.
See, you got gears here and here.
Yeah, but usually it's just a swing thing. Okay, that's good.
That's the purpose of the vent too, you know, to keep it from building up so
yeah.
much pressure,
Yep.
exploding.
Yeah.
I don't think that's anything. Somebody just stuck it on it.
So, finger tight, and you said a half turn?
With a wrench, yeah,
Yeah.
beyond finger tight.
Okay.
And just keep it even and keep that spacing even. Grease dirt right there, access right there.
Okay.
And there's all your information. Your ordering information is right here. If something happens, you have to order something, your motor, your gearbox, your conveyor, externals, everything's included in that. And both of them are running 3 horsepower engines. By this gearbox, I'd say times 240 or something. But I've checked everything. I've checked their welds. I've checked their tie downs. They're going to come back, grout this in, and once they put the other legs on, they'll grout this in. Everything up there is secured.
No, I like it. They give you plenty of room here to get the centrifuges in. Some of our buildings we had before, it's very tight.
Oh, I like this whole deal. I mean,
Yeah,
it's-
this is nice. Robert just got to get used to using it now.
remember the E-stop.